issued a severe
Ignore
thunderstorm
that,
warning
please.
for northern Haskell County and west central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Segerman, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors.
That's actually clipping the backlight.
Expect hail damage
No.
to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
I'll be right back.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rule around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rochester around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. O'Brien around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Judd, US-277 near the Haskell-Knox County line, and US-380 near the Haskell-Stonewall County line. For your protection, move your...
I'm actually gonna start boarding up, like getting my stuff packed up, because that's starting to move in, it looks like.
6 p.m. Skies were mostly sunny